This recipe for Morning Glory muffins comes from Allrecipes member Jacqueline, who says, "This muffin has a little bit of everything: carrots, raisins, apple butter, wheat germ, and nuts." Another member notes, "This is a fabulous recipe. Moist, very flavorful, and low fat. I've made it dozens of times to rave reviews." Let's get started by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. Lightly oil 18 muffin cups or line them with baking cups. Peel and grate 2 cups of carrots. About 4 medium carrots should do it. Next, peel 1 apple. Core it. And chop it. Crack 1 egg into a medium bowl. You'll also need 2 additional egg whites, so separate 2 eggs into a small bowl. Separating and saving the yolk for another recipe. Add the whites to the medium bowl with the other egg. Add half a cup of apple butter. A 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Several Allrecipes members note that you can also substitute applesauce if you don't have apple butter on hand. Whisk all of the wet ingredients together. Then you can get started on the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, a ½ cup of whole wheat flour, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Stir it all together. And add the carrots, the apple, and 1 cup of raisins. Stir the mixture, coating everything well. Add the wet ingredients. Folding the batter with a spatula until it's just moistened. Using an ice cream scoop, spoon the batter into the prepared muffin cups, filling them about 3/4 full. For the topping, in a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts and 2 tablespoons of toasted wheat germ, and mix it together. Sprinkle the topping evenly over the muffin tops. Bake the muffins in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the tops are golden and spring back when lightly pressed. Cool the muffins slightly on a cooling rack before serving. One Allrecipes member suggests serving the muffins with some whipped cream cheese for a healthier play on carrot cake. As another member named Sable Moon exclaims, "We love these muffins."